Hello, this is Elisa from Make Film Play. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this sweet card out of my Halloween stamps. Firstly, you will need to download the stamps from Make Film Play. There is a link below this video that you can download. Now let's get started. Open Procreate and make a file that is 6 by 4 inches. Tap on the Layers button and then tap on the background colour and make it a light blue, or whatever colour you want to choose. Make a new layer. Now tap on the wrench icon and insert a photo. Choose my card template. There is a link for this template underneath this video. Resize the card to the background layer. Tap on the N to open up the blend mode. Tap on the opacity slider to around 44%. Tap on the brushes menu, choose the ghost stamp. On the left hand slider, change the brush slider to about 14% and tap on the canvas to add the ghost. On the transform button to change the size of the ghost and move the ghost into position on your canvas. Create a new layer, select the brush menu and choose another ghost stamp and tap the stamp onto the canvas. Tap the transform button and change the position and size of the ghost. In the menu below the canvas you will see a flip horizontal button. Tap on that to flip the ghost. Tap on layer 2 and then tap on the erase icon. Erase the eyes of the ghost. Tap on the other ghost layer and zoom in and colour the ghost's eyes and mouth in black. Now fill in the ghost white and do the same to the other ghost. Tap on the brush icon, select calligraphy and monoline brush, draw in the ghost's eyes. Draw a semicircle when you have reached the end and hold your pen on the canvas and the shape will snap into a perfect line. Lastly, fill in the ghost white. You can draw your own heart or use a heart stamp. Create a new layer. Change the colour button to red and add the heart onto the canvas. Tap on the transform button to adjust the size, position of the heart. Now add a new layer. Change the colour to black, tap on the spanner icon, tap on the add button and select add text. To change the font, tap on AA icon on the right hand side of the keyboard and choose your font. I'm happy with the design and size, so I've made no changes. When you're happy, tap done. Now type up your text. Now tap on the layers icon and select layer 2. You need to delete this template because you don't want it visible when printing out your card. Click on the spanner icon and tap share and choose either JPEG, PDF or whatever, however you want to print your card. So there you have it. I hope you use the stamps to make your own Halloween cards. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.